Hi, welcome back to another video of quick stock lock Sunday. We have this Arrone rim cylinder. It's something that picked out the bucket. Unfortunately no key for it. I'll show you the button, but we'll try to get it open and we can gut it whilst we're at it. See how that looks. That should work. Bottom of the keyway tension, and we will be using Lock tools. I believe it's their Gem 1 Pro hook. Absolutely beautiful. Can't see past their pics and stuff just now. Definitely quality stuff. So let's have a look and see if we can get in. Yeah, as you can see, not too difficult. Probably helps that we've got a nice pick as well. It's good feedback, good strength, cracking bit. So let's get this device, and we will bring in the mats and we'll get this gutted. Mats. Turn the camera down for this one. So we have, we will need to pop this clip somehow. That's the clip off. Shim. Forward. Okay. 5 pins, all needed picking, just like standards. Let's knock these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, standard key pins anyway, and for the drivers, standard 1, 2, 3 is still in there. Spring. There we go. 3 is standard. 4 standard. Probably no surprises. 5 standard. Spring 4. There we have it. Stock Lock Sunday. A nice little, well used Arrone rim cylinder. Have a nice day, guys. I'm going to enjoy the sunshine, and leave a comment, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will see you again very soon.